You know, sometimes you gotta take a hard look in the mirror. You know, you're good at this. You're good at, apocalypses. This.
First name on the team sheet.
But hey, I'm not. Roxy and me, staying out of trouble is like a full-time job, man. I've only ever been really good at one thing, and I barely even do it anymore.
Well, my dad used to play your albums when me and my sister were little.
Ouch. And exactly. Like, what have we done lately? I gotta find that spark again, man. Get back in touch with the gods instead of just the whiskey. Oh, Farouk.
Who's Farouk?
Farouk's our producer. He lives next door down the hill, like totally obsessive about discographies. Collects every master tape and unreleased track you could imagine, including ours. Hey, some of those had real promise. I wonder if maybe sample them? Hey, I'll be right back, man. Tell Roxy not to worry.
Ricky, my dude, you are not going out there.
I'm not?
It's not your kind of gig. Trust me. Play some beer pong or something. I'll be back with your tapes.
Oh, kick ass. If Farouk's not home, just ask his boyfriend Dave to show you around. Tell him I sent you.
I'm sure he's dying to meet me.
I need you for something. Stick in the right channel.
A way in. Just let myself in. Swipe the Gods and Whiskey Master tapes and I'm done. Got it. Love what you've done with the place. Very apocalypse chic. one of Ricky's tapes. So at least he got this right. Gods and whiskey. Picking you out of my teeth. A track for zombies everywhere. And there's the mosh pit. That should be enough to get a new album going. It's basically just noise and shouting. Hey, Ricky.
Oh, hey. I don't remember calling do we have an interview scheduled?
Really? You don't remember me going to get your old master tapes from your dead producer friend's place?
Farouk's? Oh, man. Dave's gonna be, like, heartbroken.
He's been spared that grief by the fact that he's dead too.
Oh, sad note, man. Like, ballad-worthy. There was this one track we laid down and... Hey, wait. Did you say master tapes? I was just thinking about getting those back.
Well, and here they are.
This is fucking awesome, man. I'm gonna listen to them right away. Oh, there's some gems on here, you know? Some real gems. I think. Hey, thanks. You're like a guardian angel of rock.
Yes, yes. Whenever there's noise and shouting, I will be there.
On his lips you'll find... Oh, hey! You got me the tapes, didn't you?
I did, didn't I?
Hey, thanks to you, I'm on my way back up, man. Those samples and old ideas are gonna be part of a new album, man. Big themes, big riffs, sex, death, undeath, badass lyrics. Well, I'm a little out of practice with lyrics, I'm not gonna lie.
You don't say.
Screaming fans, screaming guitars, Oh, hey, I gotta go to my place and get Chopper. The apocalypse needs a soundtrack, man, and Ricky Rex is gonna ride with the Horsemen.
Oh, no. No, you can't go out there. I'll have to get it.
Oh, yeah? Oh, killer. Because I got this song brewing, and I gotta keep hold of it. Oh, you need to find Misha. Chopper's locked away upstairs at my place. You gotta be careful. Because this one time, when we didn't lock up, when the party finished, the whole upstairs was, like, empty. Totally cleaned out. So, yeah, Misha, she had the key.
All right. I'll find Misha.
You best go around the back through the kitchen. Oh, and if the band are there and, you know, milking their encore, could you send them up to the big gig in the sky?
Sure. Respectful send-offs are a speciality of mine.
Sebastian, I can't see. Fine. Brady Fowler, you are our only hope.
I bet they could hear Ricky's parties in Japan. Locked. He said Misha had the key, but where is she? I think I need to make some noise. Come on, zombies! Party time! One of the band! Show's over! You're out of time. Come on, Misha. Get up here and show me your moves. your key! Guns and whiskey! Upstairs to find Chopper. Let's see what's up here. Okay, where is Ricky's chopper? You must be Chopper. killed gods in whiskey.
Oh, you got Chopper! Killer! This is it, New Dawn. Oh, did you, were the band...
Don't worry. I gave him one last party.
They would have wanted that. I'm gonna write them a song for the new album. Slam to the Slaughter.
You're making a new album?
Yeah, check this out. One man and one woman and her pain-in-the-ass daughter on a quest through the apocalypse to put a band together, playing music so spine-shakingly epic the zombies' heads literally explode.
I'd buy that album. Just do yourself a favor and make Jesse the tour manager. You might just stay alive.
Yeah, that works. Another new start. Hey, you really helped me out. Oh, I got this big sword I used on the Knights of the Sound Fable tour. You want it?
The bigger the better. Good luck, Ricky.
I can't see. Fine. Brave traveler, you are... Only
they said this old skull could right. Dippity artist said. That's what everyone said. But not our fans. No.
Do you read me? It's Sarah. If you're in the area, I need some help at Monarch Studios. Meet me at my trailer by stage 4.
Sure thing. I'll be at stage 4 before you know it. Sarah said to meet at stage 4. What's up?
Hi there.
Hi, Sarah. I'm here to help.
Glad you could make it. Sorry to drag you back here, but I need to call upon your zombie fighting expertise again.
Yeah, I am getting pretty good at it. All right, what's the target?
I need to retrieve some contracts from an office in Soundstage 7. But, I know my limits. Could you clear out those God Spider sets for me? Specifically the Ruins set. And there's a real piece of work hiding in the City Streets stage. Once he's gone, I can get what I need myself.
Hey, don't sweat it. I can swipe those contracts for you while I'm out there.
Thanks, but clearing out the extras is enough. Don't take it personally. I'd tell you, but it's not my secret to share, you know?
Maybe I can get some of these special effects working. It's showtime. Graveyard zombies? That's so retro. That's the graveyard taken care of. Now for the big city. I'll take a look around. Got it. Right. Hey! Come out and fight me! No? I need some bodies for bait.
How's it going? Still alive out there?
Yep. Just baiting Big Bad out with a tasty snack.
Creative. You want to stack the deck in your favor? Don't be shy about using the special effects. Those zombies won't know what hit them.
Cool. All set. Come and get it! This zombie's got a fan club. Hi, Sarah. I've cleared the way.
You did my crew a solid today. And me. I've been doing all right fighting these monsters one-on-one, but the new tricks they're pulling out? No. We may be overstaying our welcome here.
Well, I got friends out there if you need a place to stay. Like there's room at Emma John's mansion.
Sorry, but I've got other places in mind. Unfinished business to take care of. Thanks. I can take the rest from here.